Hello everyone, just want to show you a quick video where we visited the shop. They sell vintage cars here. As you can see, I've never seen these cars before. Or maybe I've seen these cars, but only in the movies. So it's quite fascinating to see them in, person. So it's quite vintage and very, very nice. The owners are selling these cars for a high price. So, these cars are really valuable. Look at these cars, you see? Here in the UK, there are many people who are really, fan of, keeping vintage cars, as you can see. I've never seen these cars in the Philippines, so I'm really fascinated. It's quite awesome to see.
It looks like it's a year ago. I was very tempted. A year, more than a year ago.
But I prefer Mini Cooper. I really love Mini Cooper. So if I get a chance to get a car, I would probably choose a Mini Cooper because it's a small car and it's quite fast and efficient in the fuel consumption. So, diba? So we went to a vintage car dealer shop, but yeah, the Mini Cooper caught my attention.